Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about food that birds eat. You can refer to your textbook, page 14. Most birds eat plants and meat. Like us, we eat plants and meat. But there are also birds that eat meat or plants only. Now, let's see the group of birds that likes to eat meat only. There are owl and vulture. What do they like to eat? The owl usually likes to eat rats and snakes. For the vulture, it usually likes to eat the dead or injured body of the zebra, deer, and rabbits. Can you give me another example of birds that eat meat only? Yes, like the eagle. The eagle likes to eat meat only. Let's see the second groups of birds that eat plants only. Yes, it's the parrots and hummingbirds. They usually likes to eat nuts and seeds, or fruits, or the nectar from the flowers. Give me another example of birds that eat plants only. For example, the hornbill. Now let's see the last group of birds that eat meat and plants, like us. We eat meat and plants. They are chicken and duck. They eat worms, paddy, nuts and seeds, fish. Yes, the duck like to eat fish or vegetables. Give me another birds that eat meat and plants. For example, is the sparrow. Now you have learned the food that the bird likes to eat. There are three groups of birds. The first group is the bird who likes to eat meat only. The second group of birds likes to eat plants only. And the last group of birds, they likes to eat meat and plants. See you in the next video and don't forget to do your exercise.